Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. So we've got another really gorgeous Chanel for you today, and this is the Chanel Boy in size large, and it is a 2015/16 Chanel, and it is in this gorgeous colour. I really like this grey colour, and I like the kind of matte leather contrasted with the glossy trim as well. It is really nice. So we've got adjustable leather and chain strap, so you can have it as a longer strap like that, or as a bit of a shorter shoulder strap like that. And then we've also got CC push clasp, and it's in this really nice ruthenium hardware. And then you can see you've also got that glossy kind of grey hardware as well, which is really nice. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So in there we have got one flat zipped pocket at the back. I'll just show you that zip. So works really nicely. And then on the other side, we've got one more little flat pocket there. And I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it on the camera, but just in that bottom corner, you can see that little white tag. That's where the serial code is for this Chanel. The condition of this bag, as you can see, it is just beautiful. So we have called it excellent all around. I'll just show you all over again, show you the base. These corners are just in perfect condition. Inside as well. There is nothing for me to show you except just how beautiful it is. And that hardware, that ruthenium hardware, I think ruthenium is kind of my favourite hardware on a Chanel. Gives it that kind of antique-y, dark silver look, but that is all still really nice and in really nice condition as well. If you love this bag as much as I do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what the Chanel comes with. It comes with quite a few bits. So we have a little Chanel card envelope, see that there, and then we've got in there Chanel authenticity card. So that's got that serial number on the back as well. And then we've got Chanel boutique card, and then the original invoice in there as well. And then of course we've got the Chanel dust bag and also Chanel tissue paper inside the Chanel box as well. So it's got loads of fun little bits that come with it as well. We've also got one big Chanel card envelope, and in here we've got Chanel dust cloth on that side, and then this nice big booklet here is a Chanel care booklet. So that's got all the care details for this bag inside there. If you would like to see the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this bag, and hopefully it should take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website and let us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on that request list for you. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK10 and 5'4". So if you wanted to have it like that on the shorter strap, it sits nicely on your shoulder like that. Or you can also have it a bit of a longer strap, and then it sits nicely as a crossbody, just here. And this colour, I just love this colour. I can't get over how gorgeous it is. It's a great winter colour, I think, definitely. And a great size as well, because this is the size large, so you can fit quite a bit more into it. So yeah, it is very beautiful. If you would like more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, so it will send you through your welcome discount code. And you can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on your discount. And if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co., on our website you'll also find the How to Sell With Us page, and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us on that page. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.